Hello and welcome to PowerPoint Training Online, where today we've got another tutorial for you. But before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to hit the notification button. That way then you will always get a notification when we produce our latest videos. Now, let's get into it. For today, we're going to be talking about locating unsaved files. Now, it can be a bit of a nuisance when PowerPoint crashes. You think you lose your work. Now, the newer versions of PowerPoint are really great at dealing with this. They will, when you reopen PowerPoint, it will load it all in the sidebar, so that way then you can refine it and you can see which one you want to use again. But on all the versions of PowerPoint, it's a little bit more of a nuisance, okay? So we're going to show you how to locate an unsaved file. And to do this, we need to go through the file system. We're actually using PowerPoint, so we can't close it down. So if I go to the folder structure, and now you want to go to your folder that has Windows C in it, so your C drive, which is your main drive. Click on that, and then this time we're going to go down to users. Now you're looking here for, usually it's going to be your name or whatever you've named your computer when you originally set it up. Mine is set up as fruit, so I'll double click on the fruit folder, and then I need to click on the app data. Now you may not always see app data, so what you need to do is you need to unhide hidden folders. So to do that, you can go to view. Now I'm on Windows 10, where I get the option of displaying and not displaying hidden folders. If you're not on Windows 10, you can use the options. So what you need to do is, once you've clicked on folder options, make sure you go to the view tab, and then you'll see under advanced settings a list of tick boxes. You'll also see the folder that says hidden files and folders. You want to make sure you've selected show hidden files, folders and drives. So then that will then show everything that's hidden. Press apply, then press OK. So once that data has reappeared, you want to double click on that, and then this time we want to get information stored in the local machine, so we're going to go double click on local. And now, because it's Microsoft Office, we want to scroll down to Microsoft, and then within there we want to scroll down to the Office folder. Double click that, and then you'll see a folder that's named unsaved files. Click on that. Now you can see here I've already got one, so presentation 1. If you have named it something else before it crashed, then yeah, it will reopen as, it'll be named as the whatever you had named it before, but I hadn't saved it at all, so it's named as presentation 1, and it tells you when it was last modified, and it's unsaved. So you can double click on that, and that will then reopen the presentation in PowerPoint, allowing you to be able to save it. So you will get a now bar come up saying recovered unsaved file. This is then your case of you can save as, and then you can go and you can start working on the PowerPoint from there on in. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hopefully you learned something today. If you would like to see more of our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification button, that way then you'll always get an update when we release a new video. And if you found this video was helpful for you, then please hit the like button. Let everybody else know that you liked it. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.